this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to configure an input on a 2404 controller. Firstly, using the page key, page to access. Press the scroll key and enter code 1. Observe pass, press the scroll key again for go to and press the down arrow key for conf. Press the scroll key again for conf 0 and enter number 2. Observe pass, press the page key a few times until you see IP conf. Press the scroll key and observe INPT. Here you can use the arrow keys to select the various type of inputs. In this case we will set this one up for type K. Type K has now been set. To exit from the controller, press the two buttons, the page and the scroll keys together for exit, and use one of the arrow keys to select yes. The instrument will now restart and you have now set your controller up for type K thermocouple.